Keto low-carb broccoli salad with bacon is a delicious and healthy combination of crunchy bacon, fresh broccoli, and a tangy homemade dressing that won't undermine your diet. Perfect for a quick lunch or as a side dish to be used at your next family dinner, this salad will quickly become one of your favorite recipes. Start by preparing the vegetable mixture. Chop the broccoli into small chunks, then boil it until it is soft and tender. Next, dice the red onions and set them aside. Now for my favorite part, fry the bacon until it's crispy and crunchy. Don't you just love that smell? Mix together in a large bowl the diced broccoli with the red onions, bacon, sunflower seeds, and cheddar cheese. Now it's time to whip up the salad dressing. In a separate bowl, mix together the mayo with the olive oil, white vinegar, garlic salt, pepper, and powdered monk fruit. Whisk until all ingredients are blended together evenly. Combine the vegetable mixture with the salad dressing and stir well until all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. For a flavorful twist and some more healthy oils for your keto diet, dice a large avocado and throw it into your salad. Enjoy your keto broccoli salad with bacon on its own or as a side dish to any meal. I promise, it's going to be a hit.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.